Ever wish you could read your users' minds? Well, Posthog doesn't do that, but it gets pretty close. From heat maps to session recordings, funnels to feature flags, Posthog shows you exactly how people are using your app or website in real time. So what is Posthog exactly? It is an open source product analytics platform that helps developers, product managers, and growth teams understand user behavior without sending data to third parties. You can host it yourself for full control or use their cloud version. Either way, you get powerful tools like session replays, funnels, heat maps, A/B testing, and more, all in one place. So if you're building a web app, SaaS product, or mobile app and want to know what's working and what's not, Posthog is for you. Grab your coffee and let's dive into the video. First of all, if you go to the website, that's posthog.com, and you'll land on this beautiful looking homepage right here. And you can see all the products that are offered by Posthog, categorized into the product management category or the product management tools, the marketing tools, support tools, data tools, AI tools, and more. And the UI is beautifully laid out in this cool, colorful style. And you can see some, I should say, awesome looking animations here that get my attention immediately. Now, let's go ahead and get started creating our account. So I'll click on Get Started here for free. And you can sign up with email and password or Google, GitHub, or GitLab. First, choosing my country, I'll sign up with Google because it's easier for me. So click on Google. And now I need to create my organization. My email is here that I used to sign up with. My name, the organization name that I work for, say Free Stuff. What is my role? Let's say I am the marketing, or actually I am the founder. Okay, how did you hear about it? That's optional. And now create the organization. And here they ask me if I want to install any of the following. However, I do not, so I'll just skip installation. Some options or configurations to look at. I'll just click on next. And now I need to link my data. So linking my Stripe account for payment, linking my HubSpot, or any of the following tools and platforms right here. Okay, however, I'll just skip for now. And here they make me choose between the free plan and the pay as you go. So they don't have like a subscription based model. They have a pay as you go model, which works better for many people. I'll just go with the free plan. Okay, and I can add email address for teammates. However, I'll continue, finish. And just like that, I'm in the main dashboard and I'm redirected to the product analytics section because this is what I chose at first. However, I do have all these tools available. Let's take a look at the general dashboard first. And I can see here my main or my app dashboard. I can see the templates that I can use. Here I have my notebooks. I have the introducing notebook, which is a template, and I can add notebooks right here, add a new notebook or add a new canvas at the top. Let's take a look at this notebook. Okay, looking good. Here I have the data management tools. Of course, I don't have any information or any data right here because this is a newly created account. Here I can see all the actions. I can create my first action. I can add my first property. I can view the annotations and create annotations. I can view the history, the revenue, the ingestion warnings, and that is it. Now here I have people and groups and no persons here yet because no events have been ingested. And on the right here, I have the steps needed to continue my account. So ingest my first event, invite a team member, set up a reverse proxy. And in the product analytics side, I can create my first insight, create my first dashboard, and track custom events. Now, here in the web analytics, I can see the analytics of my app or website. However, I need to connect it first here. So they couldn't find any authorized domains because I haven't connected my domain yet. So here you can see I can track the visitors, the page views, sessions, event revenues, bounce rate, and session duration, and as well as some data about the visitors and paths and channels visited by my visitors. The retention percentage, that means how long my visitors have been on my website or app, the active hours, as well as the goals and many more features. Now here I can view my session replay, and I can view all recordings or playlist. Feature flags, I can create a new feature flag, and I can see all the feature flags that are created right here. Actually, let's close this quick start guide, and that's better. I can view the experiments here. I can create a new experiment and view all my experiments. And here are the archived experiments, the holdout groups, and the shared metrics. Now I can view the surveys. I can create a new survey. Let's create one. And first, I need to select the type, the user interview, open feedback, net promoter, the customer satisfaction score. Okay, let's choose this one. And I can set the name, so test. And here I can add the description, so how happy are you? And I can see the question type is free form text. I can change it to rating. Okay. And I can see a preview right here. Link notification, single choice or multiple choice. And I can edit all the aspects here of the survey as well. Now here I have the early access features. I can create a new feature. The error tracking, I can enable exception auto capture, and I can read the documentations, the SQL editor, and here I can view the data pipeline from overview to sources to transformations, destinations, site apps, and history. So the history, of course, is empty. Let's view the site apps and destinations. And here are some new destinations that I can create or upgrade right now. And here is the quick start that I closed earlier in order to help me finish my account, as well as my admin settings and my account settings. So basically, Posthog is like a Swiss Army knife for product analytics and developers, seeking data on how users interact with their website and services. And if you are a developer or a product manager, having such a tool is key in order to grow your business and your services online.